I'm a little worse. What did you do with Jeff?
He's not here today. He might be back next week. In any event, I'm hosting his show, The Jeff Richards Show.
Oh.
It's my show, but I'm never there. It's my...
And
I mean,
when
you made me just think of watching your video. You know, the one where you're dressed in, you think you have a bra on and maybe underwear, women's underwear, and you have a rag.
Holistic, and we cook every meal. We don't go out or order out or whatever. And we've cooked.
but not for the great Willem Dafoe. Yeah.
So, where did you grow up?
I love when you do that.
You ever do? And just kind of, you know, knock you around a little bit and see if you... Sorry. I don't know what that means.
Not very much into the veganism, vegetarianism. What benefit?
I understand.
Listen, I'm going to ask you some questions because we don't have a lot of time, you know?
I don't remember. I ran into him somewhere. He's a very nice guy.
What Red Lobster at Springfield Avenue.
Extrasensory perception.
They jar.
I got into composing and arranging and
Can you...
You ready to...
I have no idea. Killing it for you, boy.